So guys, in this video I'll be showing you if this really works or what happens when you click engine start button when you start driving and then just want to click it to see what happens. So I'm gonna do this now. So start it up. So put it on reverse. Let's try it. Oh, it did kill it. Look, the car died on the reverse. So it does start again. Reverse again. Let's check this out now. Try to keep my camera. Let's see if it does it on drive. So I'm just flooring a little bit of gas. Oh shoot, it does kill it. It does it. So my car just died on driving mode. So we're gonna stop. I don't know if it's with every car that have a push button, but with this RAV4, look, I'm pressing gas. Huh, doesn't work this time. Let's see, let's try. I think it's certain speed. I was going 20 and I just pressed the button one time and it just died. So let's try this again. So let me start it. So it's gonna turn around somehow here. So we're gonna go right now. Let's try going 10 miles per hour, and we're gonna press the button right now. Okay. So press 3 times and then it died. So actually, maybe this myth is busted. So when you drive and accidentally press off button, nothing's gonna happen. You gotta press it like a few times. 1, 2, 3. That's it. So you gotta press 3 times in order for it to die on you. As you can see, the car is completely dead. And yeah, so this trick, it does work. When you press it 3 times, it kills your car. So in my next video, I'll show you guys. I'm gonna be going like around 60 on highway, and we're gonna try to turn off the car while going 60 miles per hour. So this is only 20 miles, not even more. So thanks guys, subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm almost at 1,500 subscribers, so let's keep it up and build my subscribers. And I'll be posting more better videos, and we'll see you guys in my next upgraded videos. So take care guys, and have a good day.